You could have the best product or services in the world. If your marketing is not on point, your business will eventually fail. Before you run out and hire a marketing team or spend thousands on a UGC content creator, give me a few minutes and watch this tutorial. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use AdCreative AI as a complete beginner. AdCreative AI is a platform that is designed for practically any business owner. Whether you're running a brick-and-mortar business, you're running an e-commerce platform, or you're in real estate, landscaping, you name it, whichever field you're in, once you want to do marketing, this is a platform that you can use. Before diving into the tutorial, I want you to give me a few seconds. So this is the Facebook ads library. And by scrolling down, you can see I'm in the beauty niche. And you can see that a lot of the ads have UGC content creator in it. And to use a UGC content creator typically costs between hundreds to $1,000, and I'll be showing you how you can do this for free or on a low budget using AdCreative AI. The first thing I want you to do is go onto adcreative.ai, or you can click the link in the description to sign up. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link, and once you sign up, I will get a small commission if you were to go onto their paid plan at no additional expense to you. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. The first thing you will need to do is create a brand. And the branding is basically what your business is about and the type of customers that you want to reach. So you're going to tap on write brand name and description. So you can put in your brand name right there. Then you can put in the description. So for example, I sell soaps that help persons that has eczema, and you can also put in what your business does and the outcome that it offers and your target audience. By scrolling down, you can put in your logo. You can also select your brand colors, and then from there you can tap on advanced setup, and this is where you'll be able to connect your different ad accounts. So you can connect your Facebook ad account, your Google Ads account, or your LinkedIn Ads account. And it's quite straightforward to do. All you need to do is tap on connect ad account right here, and from there you'll simply sign in. For instance, I've connected my Facebook account already, my Meta Ads account. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on create brand. Once your brand has been created, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and there are a few things that I want to show you. The first thing is you have projects, and projects is basically the different categories that you can put your ads or social media posts in. Below projects, you have analyze. This is where you'll be able to get competitor insights by simply tapping right here. You can input in your competitor URL, and you'll be able to get information on them, the type of ads they're running and the marketing that they're doing. You can also get creative insights right here that will help you to increase your ROI and also your target audience. By selecting predict, you'll get the access to the creative scored AI feature that AdCreative AI offers. You can also check compliance by selecting this option. And if you were to select retouch, this is where you'll be able to remove background, use their image upscale, and also face enhancer AI. So you have different options right here. So we're going to tap on projects, tap on create project. After you have selected create project, from here you can choose whether you like to create a static post, a video post, a text post. You have different options that you can choose from. Let's say we were to select video post. After selecting video, we're going to tap on UGC style, and you have three different options. You have the talking head, try on fashion, and also show and tell. We're going to be selecting show and tell, then we'll tap on next step. After you have tapped on next step, from here you can choose to either upload a model, or you can scroll down and you can use one of their models. And we're going to be using this one for example. Then we'll tap on next step. After you have selected next step, you're going to upload your product. And I would recommend that you remove the background of your product. And a good website to go on would be remove.bg. You can remove the background for completely free. After you have done that, you'll tap on open. Then I recommend that you select manual mode, so you'll be able to adjust the product size and also the placement. So I'm going to be placing it in our hands right here. After you have done that, you'll just tap on generate, and you're just going to give it a few minutes, and it looks very realistic. Once that is up and running, you'll scroll down, and from here you'll be able to put in the script that you would like her to read. Then from there you'll be able to select the quality tier, and then you'll have your ad or your social media post just like that. So instead of paying hundreds for a UGC content creator, with AdCreative AI you have access to numerous UGC content creator on a budget. So we're going to be selecting this option, and you're just going to tick it. Then you'll tap on next step, and from here you're going to tap right where you see custom script, or you could use their AI generated script. All you need to do is simply put in your URL right there. We're going to select custom script, and for example I'll say, since I've been using this soap, my eczema has dramatically improved. I can't believe this, the difference it's made in a week. Then we'll tap on next step. After tapping on next step, you have 3 different layouts that you can choose from, but I'm going to be choosing the essential option right here. Then you'll scroll down and you can select the voice. Right where you see Vanessa, you can choose the voiceover that you like to use. You can filter it by country. Then you'll tap on save voice. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can give your project a name. So I'm just going to be calling it soap ad. Then we'll tap on generate. After you have tapped on generate, you're going to give it a few minutes. And from there, you'll be able to post your social media. You can post it on your social media, or you can post it as an ad. So just give it a few minutes, then we'll continue with the tutorial. Now you can see it right here.
Since I've been using this soap, my eczema has dramatically improved. I can't believe the difference it's made in a week.
Once it's to your liking, you'll tap on download. After selecting download, you can tap on download once more, and you'll now have your post, or you'll have your social media ad. And just like that, we have used AdCreative AI with their UGC features to create an ad. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, when it comes on to AdCreative AI, if we were to check out the pricing, let's do that real quick. You can see right here with their monthly plan, you can get started for as low as $39, and it can go up to, let me close this, $999. It all depends on the amount of credit that you use. So for example, we have 10 credits, and I used 1 credit a while ago to create that video. And you can see right here with the $339 plan, you'll get 75 credits, which I think is a good amount. So you could go onto the $339 plan depending on the amount of ads or social media posts that you're planning to create. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.